Good morning, students and teachers. First of all, we will welcome you for all this course. Now we are doing arithmetic progression in shortcut method. Model 1. Find the 17th term of an AP 4, 9, 9, 14, etc. There should be given 4 options: A 83, B 84, C 85, D 86. First of all, we should find whether it is a AP or GP or HP. For that, what we have to second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Then both are equal means there is an AP. Therefore, here what is given? 4, 9, 14. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Therefore, the common difference, that's 5 is equal. Therefore, it is an AP. Common difference is 5. If the common difference should come as the first number as a multiple of 5. For finding the nth term, what we have done, the common difference should come in the first number. Here there is multiples of 5. Therefore, but in the sum itself given 4. Therefore, we have add 1 to the given sum. 4 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 14 plus 1. That is 5, 10, 15, etc. Since the starting number is 5, it is correct to the sum. Now we have to correct. So we don't add or subtract anything. What is the, how we can use that? What we have given, the nth term, that is TH term, multiply common difference, minus, subtract what you have to add. That is, nth term is what here? 17. Therefore, 17 into common difference is 5, minus 1. 17 5s are 85, minus 1 equal to 84. Answer is, the answer B is the answer. Therefore, the answer is B. Second one. Find the 10th term of an AP. 2, 5, 8, etc. A 39, B 29, C 31, D 34. First of all, we should find whether it is AP or not. For that, what we have to do, second term minus first term is equal to the third term minus second term. Here 2, 5, 8. Therefore, 5 minus 2 equal to 8 minus 5. That is equal to, this is 3 equal to 3. Therefore, definitely the given sum is in the AP. The common difference is 3. The nth term, what we have to find? We have to find the nth term. For finding the nth term, the common difference should come as the first number. That is, here it is multiples of 3. But in the sum, there is 2, 5, 8. Therefore, we have add 1 to the given sum. 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 8 plus 1. That is 3, 9, 12, etc. Therefore, the answer is correct. Since the starting number is 3, here they are in the multiples of 3, 3, 9, 12. Therefore, so we don't add or subtract anything. For that, finding the nth term into common difference minus what you have subtract, what you add. Here we have add 1, therefore subtract 1. 10, nth term is 10. 10 into 3 minus 1. 10 3s are 30 minus 1, 29. Answer is, where is it? It is in the A or B or C or D. B is the answer. Very good. That is. Find the 7th term of an AP. 3, 7, 11, etc. A 72, B 17, C 27, D 37. First of all, we want to check whether it is an AP or not. Our condition for AP is second term minus first term and third term minus second term, both are equal. Then only we can say it is an AP. Therefore, here 7 minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3. That is 4 equal to 4. Therefore, it is an AP. Common difference is 4. The common difference should come as the first number. First number is 4, multiples of 4. Therefore, but in the sum, what they given 3, starting number is 3. But multiples we want to multiples of 4. Therefore, we have to add 1 to the given sum. 3 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 11 plus 1. That is 4, 8, 12. It is in the multiples of 4. Since the starting number is 4, the correct sum. So we don't add or subtract anything. The nth term into common difference minus subtract what you add. That is the 7th term. Therefore 7 into 4 minus we have to add 1. Therefore we have to subtract that 1. 7 4s are 38 minus 1 equal to 27. Where is it? It is in the C. Very good. Therefore, the answer is C. Find the 15th term of an AP. 7, 17, 27, etc. A 153, B 150, C 147, D 105. Already we have told what check whether it is an AP or not. For A, finding it is an AP, the second term minus first term, third term minus second term is equal to common difference. That is here 17 minus 7 is equal to 10, 27 minus 17 equal to 10. Therefore, both are equal. Definitely it is an AP. Therefore, the common difference is 10. The common difference should come as the first number as the multiples of 10. But in the sum, what we have given? 7. Starting sum is 7. Therefore, we have to add 3 to the sum. 3 plus 7 plus 3, 17 plus 3, 27 plus 3. That is 10, 20, 30, etc. Since the starting number is multiples of 10, it is correct in the sum. So, we did not add or subtract anything. The nth term into common difference minus subtract what you have. That is, nth term is 15 here given. Therefore, 15 into 10 minus 3. 15 into 150, add 1 0. That is 150 minus 3. 150 minus 3 equal to 147. What is the answer should be given? C, correct. That is the answer. C is 147. Here we are using, without using the formula, the shortcut method. Very easy method. Next, fifth sum. Find the 20th term of an AP. 4, 7, 10, etc. A 23, B 16, C 32, D 61. First of all, we want to check whether it is an AP or not. AP means third term minus second term is equal to second term minus first term. That is 7 minus 4 equal to 3, 10 minus 7 equal to 3, both are equal, common difference is equal, therefore it is an AP. Then the common difference should come as the first number, multiples of 3. But in the sum, we have given what? 4. Therefore, we have to subtract 1 from the sum. In the above 4 sums, we have to add this sum, we have to subtract 1. Therefore, 4 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is 3, 6, 9. Since the starting number 3, it is correct in the sum. So, don't add or subtract anything. Nth term into common difference plus add what you subtract. In the above portion we have subtract what you add, here add what you have subtract. Therefore 20 term, therefore 20 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 60 plus 1, that is equal to 61. Where is it? Correct. D is the answer, 61. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it. Press the bell icon and click all, then only you get our notification immediately. Thank you, friends and teachers. We can see you next video.